Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, some nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. About amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.